Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to Computer Science online class. In previous class, we have discussed about list and its different types which are used in an HTML tag. I hope that you have understood that topic. Today, we will continue this chapter's next part, that is tables, which are used in an HTML program. So, let us start the topic. Tables. Tables are created to present data in a comprehensive manner and make a comparative analysis of data. HTML table allows the web designers to arrange the data into rows and columns. A cell is an intersection of a row and column. With the help of table, a web designer can design their web page arranging data as rows and columns, that is, in a table form. A user can create an HTML table by following the same rule that used in creating a web page, and they also can use any elements of HTML tags. It is a container tag, which means it has an opening as well as closing tag. Tables are created by using the table tag, and some of its features are: first one, each table begins with an opening table tag and ends with a closing table tag. Second one, each row begins with the opening tr tag, that is, tr means table row, and ends with a closing tr tag. Rows must be inside table. Third one, each column contains data within the cell, so it begins with the td tag, that is table data, and ends with the closing td tag. Cells must be inside rows. When we finish all the cells for a row, then close the row with the ending tag tr tag, and for each new row repeat the process of beginning the row, building each cell in the row, and closing the row. Next one is table properties. To make a proper table, that is, look like a real table, besides rows and columns, some other properties of table are necessary for that. Now we discuss that properties here. First one is border properties. The first one is border property, that is border, which specifies the thickness of the border of a table, and its syntax is border full column value, where value is value for border width, border color, border style, etc. And the second one is border spacing, which is used to specify the distance between the borders of adjacent of cells, and its syntax is border spacing value, where value is equal to horizontal spacing in pixel per centimeter and vertical spacing in pixel per centimeter. And the third one is border collapse, which specifies whether the table borders are to be collapsed into single border or detached, and its syntax is border collapse value, where value is separate or collapse. Now let us learn with the help of an example. To create a table to display marks of the students and understand the use of these tags. To start the program, first we write opening HTML tag, and then open the head tag and write the title welcome with the help of opening and closing title tag. Then close the head tag. then open body tag and set its background color as pink. Then write final result within the opening and closing caption tag. Then open table tag and set border as 3, border color is equal to blue and background color as yellow. Height 300, width 400 and align center. Then open the table row, that is tr tag, write roll number, name and max within each opening and closing th tag. Th is the table heading. Then close the tr tag, that means the first row ends here. Then open the tr tag for the second row and write table data using td tag and enter 1 Rahul 96 within the opening and closing td tag. Then close tr tag. For the third row, open the tr tag and enter table data 2 Destiny 90 within the opening and closing td tag. Then close the tr tag, table tag, body tag and html tag, and we will get the output as shown here. So students, try to run this program in your computer and see the output. I hope all of you have understood this topic.